Some chicken. All right. Don't put the lid on. Put it back. Yep. Just like that. And everybody grab a spot.
You guys didn't bring the tripod?
Come back up a bit. Yeah, when you come hold on to this. You try and put it on it. It's okay. Hold on to this, it's gonna be cold. Very close to my hands, guys. Bring the pot, Shana. Bring the pot, come. Some of the wings still need. There's only two pieces.
Spread this out so I can put this on there.
Bring it, come, Rennie.
Yeah, they are.
Okay. On the beach if you want. The wings in it. Yeah, look at that wings too, Sean. It's in the plastic here. It's in here. Ow.
Wash that.
How you drop the meat, man? You don't have to do all the time, Jasmine. Just like a few clips here and there. Shop ni cutlass too far up, man. Cut me hand, you know. Just a little. She shop too far up to the handle. Onions and stuff. Come, Jasmine. All right, your onions. Did you have a knife? Cutlass sharp. Cutlass very sharp.
And Shania was saying she's not giving you plates because she thought you were making soup.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm gonna go see if they have it.
Garlic. Cutlass cut me, you know.
Are you okay?
We're just seasoning up the chicken, guys. Like I said, it's a bush pot, so not a lot. Very limited seasoning and limited everything. Everything is just going to go in one pot. What else seasoning? Kind of seasoning do we have? I think that's. I'll put it inside just in case you rain, Shana. Just in case you rain. It is raining. That's the right thing for fiber. It's going. Yeah, it's going. It's getting there. It's going, man. It's going.
The wind is gonna put your fire out.
It's very windy. But it's going.
Before it goes out of it.
Going, man. Going. Spoon. Sugar.
Where's your microphone, Dad? You still have it?
I keep judging.
I closed her thing, Mom. She's lying down now.
Yeah.
See if I can try and take some videos.
Bring the chicken, please. Okay, move on, come on. No, don't talk about it.
No, take off the onions, the rest of the onions and stuff off the lid. Alright.
Yeah, man. So this is how we do it in the bush, guys. Very limited seasoning and everything. Alright, Chana, come again. So we can put the rice. No. Water. One more. Right. Alright. Yeah, cover it.
You can't see. Yeah, need some more water.
Yeah, Shana, I think you need more. More water, more water.
Pure water, pure water.
Left side. Perfect. Alright, let's hold that there for now.
Pure water, pure water.
Looking good, guys. Looking really good. Let me just see how it is. Very good.
Huh? Can't really see. Look at this one.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Hot.
Put the board down and then you can put the pot on top.
Okay.
Yeah, put the board here.
Ah, nice, man. That looks good, guys.
Get a spoon.
Let me get out of the spoon. That's ho 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 ho. Sicola. What's this? Let me get a bigger piece.
Don't burn yourself.
Sicola.
Where the spoon?
Mm.
I will.
It's cooked good.
I'll eat.
Oh, nice.
We don't have a So this is how we do it. We don't have no plates, so we're gonna improvise. Probably we get a leaf or something, but we are gonna eat on that.
Oh, got spoons.
Come on, come on, no man. Come on, no man. And you see that part here, the bun. People kill for that.
Some chicken. All right. Come put the lid on. Put it back. Yep. Just like that. And everybody grab a spot.
Mhm. 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 Mhm.
Oh, sorry. I forgot they like that sound. I was just giving them keys.
Woo.
Yep.
I'm sorry. Good.
You feeding them?
He has a kick.
Are you feeding them?
All right, you got. I told him to go.
Mhm. Mm.
Is that why they were being so nice?
Mhm.
Hey, if we be nice, can you give us food?
Go right there.
Mm. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Kaya. Break it in two for them.
All right, guys. Thank you for joining. There is lots of more tomorrow. We're gonna go hunt crabs, and Friday we are gonna make a birthday party for her. She'll be 18. And we'll be doing it again on the beach. We have lots of seafood for tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow night we're gonna go hold crabs. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. And while we eat, we're gonna probably show you guys a drone shot, send a drone up in the air, and show you the beautiful beach. So stay tuned for that.